NEET 2020 application process has started on April 6, 2022. The application window will be open for a month. Hence, you must act fast and complete the application process on time. This video of Shiksha brings to you the step-by-step procedure on how to fill the application form of NEET 2022. The first step is to visit the official website of NEET 2022, which is www.neet.nta.nic.in. You can check the notification and the information bulletin from the top left side of the page. Click on the registration for NEET UG 2022 tab at the top or bottom of the page. Read the instructions and click on the agreement checkbox before proceeding towards filling up the registration form. Fill up the registration form with personal and contact details, followed by creating password which should be between 8 to 13 characters with specifications. Once the password is generated, you have to verify the details entered. You will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Submission of the OTP will complete the process and you will be redirected to the application form, which is divided as per the details required on personal, Aadhaar, exam center, city, qualification and additional information. The next step is for document upload, wherein you have to upload your passport and postcard size photographs, left-hand thumb impression, signature and class 10 pass certificate within the given specification. The last and final step is the payment of fees. Prior to that, you have to verify your email address by entering the OTP. The application fees has to be paid online through net banking, credit card, debit card, Paytm or UPI. Select the payment gateway and proceed for payment. Once the payment is complete, you will receive an application confirmation notification on your email. You are advised to take a printout of the NEET application confirmation page and preserve it till the admission process. This was all about NEET 22 application process. In case you have any query regarding the NEET 2022 application or you have a feedback on this video, do share your thoughts in the comment section below. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.